ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमः सर्वेभ्यः। कारक प्रकरणस्य अभ्यासः अस्माभिः आरब्धः। We have studied the definition of karakam as well as we have understood the types of karakas. There are 6 types. Kartru karakam, it is known as karta. Karma karakam, which is known as object of action. Karana karakam is famous as instrument. Sampradana karakam, the receiver of action. Apadana karakam, the place of separation. And adhikaranam means adhara, the locus of action. These are 6 types. And to show kartru karakam, we always use prathama vibhakti. To show karma karakam, we use dvitiya vibhakti. For instrument karakam, karana karakam, tritiya vibhakti, sampradana karakam, chaturthi, apadana karakarthe, panchami vibhakti, adhikarana karakarthe, sarvada, saptami vibhaktehe prayogaha bhavati. Right? So, among these karakas, we have seen what is called karta, karma, karana, etc. Then we started looking at the various uses of vibhaktis. We have seen prathamanta, rupani, and the usage of prathama vibhakti. For example, vastu nirdeshartham prathama vibhakti bhavati. So whenever we want to show any particular vastu, that time we use prathama vibhakti. Saha ganeshah अथवा सा महिला. So whatever vastu it may be vastu or purusha, right? Prathama vibhakti is being used. Another usage of prathama vibhakti is when we make a sentence into kartari prayoga. Karta karakam will become coming under prathama vibhakti. Ramah bhojanam karoti. So Ramah we need to put into prathama vibhakti, right? That was clear. Then third rule we saw in karmani prayoga, karma will come under prathama vibhakti. So that was clear. Then dvitiya vibhakti rules we have seen. There are various types of or uses of dvitiya vibhakti. And yesterday we also touched tritiya vibhakti. Kartru karane tritiya, that was first sutra. If we are making a sentence into karmani prayoga, kartrupadasya tritiya vibhakti bhavati. We have seen that rule. For example, Ramena Ravanaha hanyate. This is passive voice, karmani prayoga. In karmani prayoga, kartrupadam comes under tritiya vibhakti. So it will be put into tritiya. Ramena. Karmapadam prathamanta Ravanaha, and according to Ravanaha or Karmapadam, Kriyapad will be there, like Ravanaha hanyate. If there are many Rakshasas, then we will say Rakshasaha hanyante, right? So main rule is whenever we make a sentence into Karmani Prayoga, Kartrupadasya Tritiya Vibhakti Bhavati. Kartrupadasya Tritiya Vibhakti Bhavati. Kartrupadam will come under Tritiya Vibhakti. Second, another part of that sutra, karane tritiya, karana arthe tritiya vibhakti bhavati. Instrument will come under tritiya vibhakti. For example, Ramah, same example we can continue. Ramah Ravanam hanyate. This is again now I am putting into kartari prayoga. Ramah Ravanam hanti. So what instrument he is using? Banaha, right? So that Bana padam is instrumental. That instrumental case we have to put into show through tritiya vibhakti. Whenever we want to show karanam, karanakarakam, we need to use tritiya vibhakti. Ramah banena ravanam marayati athva hanti. That is kartari prayoga. Same can be put into karmani also, but instrument will remain as it is. Ramena banena ravanah hanyate. Okay, that was one rule. Another point we saw, whenever we use saha, sakam, samam, sardham, these avyayas, whenever these avyayas are used, that time we have to put tritiya vibhakti with that particular root, like along with. Saha means along with whom, whatever padam, like ramena saha lakshmanah vanam gacchati. Lakshmanah vanam gacchati, that is main sentence. Along with whom, if that question or that akanksha comes, then with saha avyaya we have to put tritiya vibhakti. We cannot say ramam saha. We cannot use any another karakam with saha. Right? So saha, here saha means this wala sakar, let me show. Not prathama purushasya ekvachanam. This sakar, saha. Okay. So along with saha, we need to use tritiya vibhakti. Anga vikare, another point. If there is a disability or some vikara in anga, there we use tritiya vibhakti. We have seen this also. Like a akshna athva netrabhyam andha, netrena andha, that we have seen, right? Athva padena khanjah, padabhyam panguhu, right? Athva karnena badhirah, right? Okay, another point. Hetau. Hetu means to show a reason or cause. To show any cause. For example, aham Ratnagiri Pradeshe vasami athva nivasami. I stay here in Ratnagiri. What is the purpose of staying here? If I want to say, I can say aham atra adhyayanena vasami. Adhyayanam becomes study, becomes reason. So to show that reason, we have to use tritiya. Adhyayanena vasami. Saha bhaktah devam अथवा विष्णुं पश्यति. केन साधनेन अथवा केन हेतुना इति पृच्छ्यते चेत् पुण्येन. So punya becomes hetu. That's how this tritiyanta form is used. Okay. Adhyenena vasati, punyena harim pashyati, papena narake gacchati, narakam gacchati iti. Alam means enough. Enough, don't do much. Like for that, whenever there is a alam shabda, we have to put another word into tritiya vibhakti. Alam bhojanena, whatever bhava we want to show. Alam krodhena, bas abhi krodh nahi karna hai. Alam krodhena, alam bhojanena, alam snehena athva lalanena. Like many bhavas you can show through this. Or even you can use negative emotions also. Alam krodhena, krodha matsu. Alam matsarena, matsaraha mastu. Alam irshaya iti akaranta. Irsha iti akaranta shabda. So irshaya will be tritiyanta form. Alam irshaya. All 6 vikaras you can say. Kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mad, matsar. Alam madena, alam lobhena ityadikam upayuktum shakyate. Astu. Alam alasyena, that is also fine. Alam shayanena, bas ho gaya kitne so hoge karke. अलम अभ्यासेन इति अलम न वक्तव्यम किंतु वाक्यार्थम मया अत्र स्थापितं तावदेव. अलम अभ्यासेन, अभ्यास कदापि अलम न, किंतु शयनादिकं भोजनादिकं विहाय यदि अभ्यासं कुर्वन्ति चेत् भोजन समय भोजन एव कर्तव्यं, शतं विहाय भोक्तव्यम इति प्रसिद्धम उदाहरणं. यू हैव टू गिव अप ऑल अदर थिंग्स एंड यू हैव टू ईट. शतं विहाय, शतं कार्याणि विहाय भोजनं कर्तव्यं. सहस्रं स्नानम् आचरेत्, सहस्र कार्याणि त्यक्त्वा, सहस्रं कार्याणि त्यक्त्वा किं कर्तव्यं? स्नानं कर्तव्यं. No, I cannot say I have another work, so I am not going to take a bath. I have to take the bath, giving up all other karyas. Sahasram snanam acharit. Like there is a famous subhashita you can search. Shatam vihaya bhoktavyam. That is the beginning of that. That is first pada of that subhashita. Shatam vihaya bhoktavyam sahasram snanam acharit. Laksham vihaya datavyam. लक्ष्यकार्याणि विहाय दानं दातव्यम् इति अर्थः. ततः अन्तिमं पादं किं? सहस्रं स्नानम् आचरेत्, लक्ष्यं विहाय दातव्यं. मया अधुना न स्मर्यते, भवन्तः पश्यन्तु, ग्रुप् मध्ये स्थापयन्तु, नेट् मध्ये उपलब्ध भविष्यति. अस्तु, अग्रिमः बिन्दुः. किं लाभः, को लाभः, किं प्रयोजनम् अथवा किं शब्दः उपयुज्यते, राइट? Whenever we want to show अरे what is the purpose of that time we use tritiya. मूर्खेण पुत्रेण किं, right? मूर्खेण पुत्रेण किं. Another example we saw, if there is a pond and there is no water, without water what is the use of that pond, right? There is a car but it doesn't have steering, that car also will be useless, right? Similarly you can say whatever, there is a स्वयंपाक गृहं but अग्नि एव नास्ति, अग्निना अथवा अग्निरहितेन स्वयंपाकगृहेन किं प्रयोजनं? Without agni you cannot cook, right? पाचन सामग्री is there but there is no agni, there is no fire, it will be useless, right? Okay, this point I didn't explain but today I will touch a little bit. Sadrushah means like. So whenever we want to show he is like my father, mother, brother, sister, we have to use Tritiya Vibhakti along with Sadrusha Shabda. For example, Saha Mama Bandhuna Sadrushah Asti. Bandhuna is Ukaranta Shabda, so Tritiyanta form, Bandhuna. Whenever we say he is or she is like motherly, we will say Sa Mama Jananya Sadrushi Asti. Sadrushah is a Visheshanam, so accordingly it will change. Janani Strilinga Shabda, so Jananya Sadrushi. Jananya is Tritiyanta form. Okay, right. Similarly, whenever Samasa Vigraha we have to do, that time it is useful. Matrutulya we say, right? Matrutulya, Pitrutulya, Sadrusha and Tulya means the same, right? Saha Mama Pitra Tulya Asti, is like fatherly. तत्र रघुवंशस्य प्रथम सर्गे दिलीप राजा was like पित्रा तुल्य, जनक तुल्य, जनकेन तुल्य. There is a famous upma given for the Dilip Raja by Kalidas. He says सह जनकः अभूत्, सह सर्वेषां जनकः अभूत्. Why? पालनात् पोषणात् भरणात्. He does a palanam, poshana and bharana of praja. That's why he becomes father of his praja. Right? Prathama Sarga you can refer.
Kshamritam, like Sumitra and Kaikeyi are not the real mothers of the Ram. If we want to say Sumitra is Ramasya, is Ram is in Sashti Vibhakti, then we have to use it.
Because there is a sambandha. Ramasya matra. Matru Shabda Tritiyanta form will be matra.
Matra.
Sumitra Ramasya matra tulya asit athva asti. Kaikeyi Ramasya matra tulya athva jananya tulya asit. Right? That way you can put it.
Ram is in Sashti Vibhakti.
Or Sadrusha, Sadrushi you should say. Okay? Fine. Another point. Bhavarte, whenever there is emotion like sneha, lalanam, palanam, ityadikam, so kama, krodha, these are some bhavas. Even negative emotions, positive emotions we can use. Like saha pujayati, katham pujayati, kena bhavena pujayati, saha bhaktya pujayati. Mata shishum palayati, केन भावेन पालयति, स्नेहेन पालयति, प्रेमना पालयति. प्रेम इति नपुंसकलिंग, प्रेमन शब्द नकारांत, प्रेमना becomes तृतीया विभक्ति. Okay, स्नेहेन अथवा प्रेमना, प्रेमना is तृतीयांत form. Okay, all another emotions you can put here. Okay, हीनः means रहितः. ज्ञानेन रहितः पुरुषः जगति न शोभते. If there is no knowledge, ज्ञानेन हीनः पुरुषः जगति न शोभते. हीनः मतलब रहितः, without knowledge. तत्र किं साहित्यहीनः पुच्छ something, some subhashita is there. कलाविहीन साहित्यशास्त्रं कलाविहीनः something, some subhashitam. I am not able to recollect that, but yeah, I will put into group after the class. ज्ञानेन हीनः, that way you can put. विनयेन रहितः विद्यावान अपि न शोभते, that way we can put. There is a jnanam, there is a knowledge, but if there is no vinayah, vinayena heenah, vinayena rahitah manushyah, jnanvan api, even though he is a jnani api, na shobhate. That way. Kalah, with kala word, we can use trutiyanta. Kiyata kalena sah karyam karoti. About this, there are some sutra. Kala advara iti shabdena sah tritiya vibhakti bhavati. मासेन अधीते सह संधि प्रकरणम अथवा कारक प्रकरणम मासेन अधीते means he at least need a month to study कारक प्रकरणम. So मासेन अधीते. वर्षेण ग्रंथम अधीते पठति. He needs 1 year to complete one text. Like if that text is big, right? So that way we can, whenever we want to show kala, that much kala is required. So varshena, masena, saptahena, ekena saptahena eva vayam sarve api kim kurmah karaka prakaranam samapayamah. Ekena masena इति अपि वक्तुम शक्यते, एकेन दिवसेन इति अपि वक्तुम शक्यते. एक ही दिन में हम सब पढ़ लेंगे, है कि नहीं? That is the use of kala. To show particular kala. Okay, now let's move to Tritiya, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Is there any doubt regarding Tritiya? If it is not, then we will move to next. Everything is clear, or shall I move to next? Okay, next.
Yes.
Chaturthi Vibhakti. Sampradane Chaturthi. Sampradanam, you know, Danam Karmana Yam Abhipraiti. There is a sutra. Sampradane Chaturthi iti bhavati. Kintu Sampradana Karakam means what? Whenever there is a karta wants to get connected by giving action with someone, that some person becomes Sampradana. Means what? In the simple way, the receiver of action becomes Sampradana. And to show that Sampradanam, Sampradane Karake Chaturthi Vibhakti Bhavati. To denote that Sampradana Karakam, to denote that receiver of action, we have to use Chaturthi Vibhakti, that is first rule. For example, there are many examples you can make. Like Yasmai Datavyam Tasya Chaturthi. Yasmai Datavyam means one who is receiver. That person becomes Sampradana, and to denote that person, we have to use Chaturthi Vibhakti. Balihi Dadati. Balihi Bhumim Dadati. Kasmai Bhumim Dadati, one who is a receiver. Now here, who is a receiver? Vamana Bhagavan. So Vamana Bhagavan will get new name as Sampradanam. And to denote that Sampradana Karakam, we always use Chaturthi Vibhakti. Right? So Vamanaya becomes Sampradana Karakam, and it is shown by Chaturthi. Vamanaya, he is a receiver. Without Vibhaktis, we cannot show Karakas. Right? That is the use of Vibhaktis. That's it. Balihi Vamanaya Bhumim Dadati. Ramaha Brahmanaya Pushkalam Dhanam Yachati. Ramaha Dhanam Yachati. केभ्यः we can say ब्राह्मणेभ्यः, बहुवचनम् also we can वचने किमर्थं दरिद्रता. परशुरामः शक्तिं ददाति. So actually you can make another way. Sampradhanam, if you don't understand, whenever we use dadati or yachati kriya pada, one who is a receiver, that person will put into Chaturthi. We are going to put them into Chaturthi. Vamanaya, Brahmanaya, Sri Ramaya. Few more sentences. Devaya pushpani samarpayami. Aham puja karana velayam, puja velayam अथवा पूजायाम देवाय श्रीकृष्णाय अथवा रामाय अथवा कोऽपि देवः अपरः देवः तस्मै देवाय किं करोमि पुष्पाणि समर्पयामि. I offer pushpas or flowers to that Lord. So we are offering to someone, he is becoming receiver again. Okay. Samarpayami. Okay. Mata balakaya modakam dadati. Again, dadati kriyapad, samarpayati kriyapad, yachati kriyapad. There are many more kriyapadas. With those kriyapadas, one who becomes receiver of something, that person is put into Chaturthi Vibhakti. Here I didn't use any Srilinga form, but you can use, like a kasme kam dadati. Ahilyayai Ramah moksham pradadati. That way you can put. Now it's your time to make sentences. Each one can make one sentence. Namely, I will ask Nandini ji, Meera ji, Mohini ji, and Trupti ji. You make some sentences, then I will ask others also.
ईश्यः गुरवे गुरुदक्षिणा समर्पयामि समर्पयति
Samarpayati. Gurave. Samichanam. Gurave dakshinam samarpayati. Nice.
वैद्यः रुग्णाय औषधं ददाति.
रुग्णः वैद्याय वैद्यः रुग्णाय
वैद्यः रुग्णाय
रुग्णाय औषधं ददाति. समीचीनम्.
पुत्री मह्यं फलं ददाति.
फलं ददाति. समीचीनम्. मोहिनी जी.
जी सर.
सेंटेंस.
सेंटेंस विप्राय गाम ददाति.
हाँ, विप्राय नाम ब्राह्मणाय गाम ददाति, धेनुं ददाति. समीचीनम्.
मधुसूदनः अर्जुनाय गीताज्ञानं ददाति.
मधुसूदनः अर्जुनाय गीताज्ञानं ददाति. समीचीनम्. Nice. Okay, now next point. This is clear, right? Simple. Next sutram is रुच्यर्थानां प्रियमाणे. रुचि. रुचि इत्यस्मिन् अर्थे यस्मै रोचते तस्य चतुर्थी विभक्ति भवति. One who likes, that person will be put into Chaturthi Vibhakti. It will be clear through, Prayoga. Rochate iti kriyapadam, prasiddha kriyapadam. This is famous kriyapada. Whenever you use rochate kriyapada, you have to put that particular person, one who likes something, he will be put into Chaturthi Vibhakti. For example, let's see, Balakaya atva Shishave Dugdham Rochate. Rochate, this is kriyapada. Rochate means to like, to love, to like, right? Dugdham rochate, what he likes? Milk. Balakaya, that balaka person, that balaka will be put into Chaturthi. Why? Because he likes that. Okay? Rochate. Another example. Ishwaraya bhaktihi rochate. Ishwaraya bhaktihi rochate. God loves bhakti. That. Ganeshaya modakani rochante. Rochete is atmanipadi kriyapada, so rochate, rochete, rochante. There are many modakas, that's why rochante kriyapada. Okay, few more examples.
Ishwaraya bhakti rochate means Lord Ishvara likes bhakti. Is that what yours?
Correct.
Is that what the
Bhakti
meaning
or
is?
devotion is loved. So now what happens with this prayoga rochate? Actually, along with rochate, there should be main kartrupadam, karma padam, like dugdham, bhaktihi, modakani, ityadikam becomes kartrupadam in kartari prayoga. And Ishvara becomes some another person because he is liking. So structure, if you say, Balakai will be put into Chaturthi, but while translating this sentence, we can say milk is liked by Balaka, this will become passive, right? But Balakaya Dugdham Rochate, if you want to say in English, in Kartari Prayoga, we should say Balaka means child loves milk. That way it is translated nowadays. I don't know how to make into बालक के लिए दूध पसंद है, ऐसा उसका हिंदी में ट्रांसलेशन हो सकता है. लेकिन जब भी रोचते क्रियापद का यूज होता है ना, तो जिसको पसंद आता है वो हमेशा चतुर्थी में रखा जाता है, वो वाला पद जिसको पसंद है. और जो पसंद है वो प्रथमा विभक्ति में रहेगा हमेशा. जैसे कि दुग्धम प्रथमा में है, भक्ति प्रथमा में है, मोदकानी भी प्रथमा में है, अध्ययनम एकांतः, ये सारे प्रथमा में आएंगे. जो वस्तु जो विषय प्रिय है वो प्रथमा में रहेगा और जिसको पसंद है वो चतुर्थी में जाएगा. क्लियर है? ओके. हाँ, नाउ सेंटेंसेस, इट विल बी क्लियर थ्रू सेंटेंसेस. नाउ दोज हु डिडंट मेक सेंटेंस, दे कैन ट्राई.
मधुमक्षी पुष्पः रोचते.
Now that madhumakshika is akaranta shabda, you have to put into chaturthi vibhakti. Like Rama, it would be Ramayai. So madhumakshikayai madhu athva pushpam rochate. Right?
सर बालकाय क्रीडनकम रोचते.
क्रीडनकम रोचते. समीचीनम्.
I want to say the birds like worms. So pakshinaha, the chaturthi vibhakti would be
Pakshine athva pakshibhyah. Pakshin is the innanta pratyaya, innanta shabda, pakshin. Chaturthi vibhakti ekvachanam becomes pakshine.
pakshine
Jantav rochan. If there are many, if there is only one, jantuhu rochate, kitakah rochate iti vaktum shakti. Okay. Few more sentences, then we will move to next point.
मह्यं संस्कृतम् अध्ययनं बहु रोचते.
संस्कृताध्ययनं रोचते. समीचीनम्. Few more.
संस्कृतम होईल काही संस्कृत.
Sanskritam adhyayanam rochate. If you are making adjective of adhyayanam, then you can say sanskritam adhyayanam rochate. Athva samastapadam, if you do, it will become sanskritadhyayanam rochate. संस्कृतस्य अध्ययनं संस्कृताध्ययनं.
सर्वेभ्यः सुगन्धं रोचते.
सुगन्धः इति पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः, गन्धः इति पुल्लिङ्गः.
I'm saying lokaihi sthita pragyaha rochante.
That would be, now main root is ruch. If you are making passive voice, it will become ruchyate, ruchante. It changes into passive, right? Main root should be used in passive. And along with that, yakara plus te ite ante pratyaya. So ruchante, ruchyate singular, ruchante plural. Shall I make one sentence of karmani prayoga? Okay, here I will make. What sentence I can make? सीतायै रामः What should I say? Ruchyate. Okay, let's say Ruchyate. Ram is loved by Sita. That way it would be. But it doesn't make that much sense. So let's skip it. Let's make it into Kartari only. Two more sentences, then we move to.
Can we say Sitayai Ramaha Priyate?
Priyate. There is a Kriya Pad. Prinati. Priyate. I need to find out whether that is Parasmai Padam or Atmani Padam. Okay. I will get back to you. Priyate.
मह्यम क्रंदनम न रोचते.
Oh, acha. Na rochate. Nice. I said, I thought something else.
What is Krandanam?
Rodanam.
Crying.
Okay. Next point is, whenever we use krudha dhatu, druha dhatu, irsha, asuya, यस्मै यम प्रति कोपः तस्य चतुर्थी विभक्ति. सो यस्य उपरि क्रोधः कोपः द्रोहः ईर्ष्या असूया इत्यादिकं प्रदर्श्यते तस्य चतुर्थी विभक्ति भवति. यस्मै क्रोधः क्रियते सः पुरुषः चतुर्थी विभक्ति मध्ये स्थाप्यते. पिता क्रुध्यति. पिता क्रुध्यति. ठीक है. कुप्यति. फादर्स गेट एंग्री. All fathers are like that. So pita, here I made a singular. Pita balakaya krudhyati. So yasmai kopah yasya upari krodha kriyate. That balakam will put into chaturthi. Pita balakaya krudhyati. जिसके ऊपर क्रोध, कोप, द्रोह, ईर्ष्या, असूया आदि की जाती हैं, उस व्यक्ति की, उस वस्तु की चतुर्थी विभक्ति होती है. सिंपल रूल. लाइक अनदर. कंसः कृष्णाय कुप्यति. कंस किसके ऊपर क्रोध करता है? कृष्ण के ऊपर क्रोध करता है, कोप करता है. दोनों का सेम ही मीनिंग है, क्रुध्यति कुप्यति. ओके. अनदर. विभीषणः रावणाय द्रुह्यति. राइट. द्रुह्यति. द्रोह करना, टू बिट्रे. Another sentence. Suruchihi sunitaya अथवा सुनित्यैः. Both way can make. Two possibilities are there with rasva ikaranta shabda. Okay. Irshati. Okay. Irshati, jealous. दूर्जनः सज्जनाय असूयति. असूयति मीन्स बुराइयां निकालना. अच्छे गुण होते हुए भी उसमें अच्छे गुण नहीं देखना, बुराइयां निकालना. क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में इसको? To
Jealous.
Taunting.
jealous? No, not jealous. Jealous means irsha.
Criticize.
Something like
Criticism.
pessimism.
Not even criticism.
Ridicule.
I have to.
Hmm.
असूया करना मतलब
Envy. Envy.
Taunting करना.
मिस्टेक निकालना नहीं.
Envy.
यदि
Gossip करना.
यदि मिस्टेक है तो मिस्टेक निकाले तो कोई परेशानी नहीं. मतलब जिसमें अच्छे गुण हैं उसमें भी अच्छे या न देखना, उसको असूया बोलते हैं. यदि राम श्रेष्ठ है तो श्रेष्ठ है ही, लेकिन उनमें भी दोष देखते हैं लोग. अरे उन्होंने पत्नी को छोड़ दिया, तो उनका रीजन होगा कुछ, क्यों छोड़ा करके. लेकिन तो ऐसा यदि कोई बोलता है राम अच्छा राजा नहीं था और अच्छा पति नहीं था, तो ये राम के प्रति असूया कर रहे हो आप.
गॉसिप करना नहीं.
Not
Gossip.
to say something bad about someone, even that another
It can
person.
be condescending. Condescending, no, I don't think so.
असूया के लिए सर्च करना पड़ेगा.
Exact word search करना है.
क्योंकि सिमिलर है ये थोड़े से. ईर्ष्या, जलस है, जब जलस होता है तब असूया करने लग जाता है, ऐसा भी कुछ है. तो देखते हैं द्रोह, ईर्ष्या, असूया, ये एक साथ आने वाले सारी क्रियाएं हैं. इसके लिए मैं इंग्लिश वर्ड मुझे भी ढूंढना ही चाहिए. पढ़ाते हैं तो एक शब्द पता होनी चाहिए. देखता हूं मैं. ठीक है. अधुना कानिचन वाक्यानि वदन्तु. एतेषाम् उपयोगम्.
I can say दुर्योधनः भीमाय ईर्ष्यति.
ईर्ष्यति, समीचीनं. दुर्योधनः, because he cannot say anything, he cannot do anything with Bhima. He is so balavan. That's why ईर्ष्यति. Nice example.
सीता रावणाय इसमें से कुप्यति आएगा कि अकुप्यत क्या है? सीता जो है वो रावण पे क्रोधित है उसके लिए.
Akupyat, that would be lang lakar, like past tense. And kupyat you can, we don't, whenever we want to make sentences about gods, we do not use past tense, right?
Oh.
Means we can use, but with respectful, we don't say Rama is gone. We say he is present even now. That's how it becomes Vartaman sentence. Sita kupyati. Like
जी.
रामः रावणाय क्रुध्यति. राम अभी भी क्रोध करते हैं करके. लेकिन सेंटेंस वाइज दोनों सही हैं. पास्ट टेंस तो पास्ट टेंस भी बना सकते हैं, बनाते हैं वैसे कुछ.
दुर्वासा शकुंतलायै क्रुध्यति.
हाँ देखो वो वाला अच्छा सेंटेंस है. शकुंतला अभिज्ञान शाकुंतलम यैः पठितम अथवा महाभारतम यैः पठितम ते अवगच्छन्ति. एतादृक् प्रयोगम्.
सत्यभामा कृष्णाय कुप्यति.
कुप्यति. सत्यभामा कृष्णाय कुप्यति. सत्यभामा पत्नी खलु. आम्.
हाँ.
इतोपि वाक्यानि. ओके, we'll touch next point. तादर्थे. तादर्थे means artham shabda. Whenever you use artham, kimartham, that way if we ask, whatever answer we will get, that padam will be put into chaturthi. Kimartham, tadartham अथवा तादर्थे. For something, for example, यस्य कृते किमपि कार्यम इत्यादिकं कार्यादिकं क्रियते तस्य व्यक्तेः कृते वस्तुनः कृते किम विभक्ति उपयुज्यते? चतुर्थी. फॉर एग्जांपल, राजा तडागादीन निर्माति. राजा निर्माति, he builds, he creates what? तडाग, pond etc, well, ponds अथवा forts etc. किमर्थम? जनेभ्यः, for the sake of people, his प्रजा. So राजा प्रजाभ्यः अथवा जनेभ्यः तडागादीन निर्माति. Another simple sentence. पिता धनं संपादयति. किमर्थं धनं संपादयति पिता अथवा माता, whatever. पुत्रपालनाय, पुत्रार्थम. पुत्रार्थम you can put पुत्राय चतुर्थी विभक्ति also you can use, अथवा पुत्रस्य कृते, that way also you can put. There are many ways to put chaturthi or tadarthe, right? पिता पुत्राय धनं संपादयति, पिता पुत्रार्थम धनं संपादयति, पिता पुत्रस्य कृते धनं संपादयति. Another sentence. अहम पठामि. किमर्थं पठामि? ज्ञानार्थं पठामि, ज्ञानाय पठामि. So now it can be hetu also. You can use tritiya, jnanena pathami, right? And for few more subtleties, we have to study some sutras. We'll find out there are some sutras regarding this. If we get more chance to study, I will cover up that topic also. माता बालकेभ्यः भोजनं निर्माति अथवा पचति. पचति also we can say. माता बालकेभ्यः भोजनं निर्माति पचति. किमर्थं पचति? बालकेभ्यः. Right. Okay. Now make some sentences by using tadarthe for something.
सज्जनः सज्जनः लोकहितार्
लोकहितार्थम अथवा लोकहिताय.
लोकहिताय. सज्जनः लोकहिताय कार्यं कुर्वन्ति
सज्जनाः कार्यं कुर्वन्ति, सज्जनः कार्यं करोति। महाराष्ट्रदेशीयाः ये सन्ति ते जानन्ति कदाचित्। महाराष्ट्रस्य आरक्षकाः तेषां तत् लोगो मध्ये एकं वाक्यं भवति। किं वाक्यं भवति तत् जानन्ति वा?
जनहिताय सदरक्षणाय
सद्रक्षणाय
सदरक्षण
and one more
फलनिग्रहणाय
खलनिग्रहणाय, isn't it? That is किमर्थं ते कार्यरताः भवन्ति? they have only two purposes. One is sad जनानां रक्षणाय, another is खलानां दुर्जनानां
निग्रहणाय।
that is the main purpose of police dal. Okay, few more sentences.
बालः
हाँ,
दुग्धाय क्रन्दन्ति।
हाँ, बालाः दुग्धाय क्रन्दन्ति। आपको क्रन्दति क्रियापद ज्यादा पसंद है क्या?
I can say,
क्रंदन करना मतलब वो रो रहा है ना, उसके लिए आएगा ना, मतलब
सही है, वाक्य सही है। बालकाः दुग्धाय क्रन्दन्ति, समीचीनम्।
I can say, sorry, my sentences are very simple. Aham putri vivahaaya abharanam क्रीणाति।
अरे वाह, समीचीनम्। आभरणानि, आभरणं किमर्थं? बहूनि आभरणानि। नाइस।
वयं गंगा स्नानाय प्रयागं गच्छामः।
वाह, वयं गंगा स्नानाय प्रयागं गच्छामः, समीचीनम्।
गुरुः शिष्याभ्यः पाठ पठति।
हाँ, गुरुः शिष्येभ्यः पाठं पठति। ना, गुरु अपने शिष्यों को पढ़ाने के लिए स्वयं पढ़ता है, ऐसा वाक्य का अर्थ है कि नहीं? गुरुः शिष्येभ्यः पाठनाय स्वयं पठनं करोति, स्वयं पाठं पठति, अथवा पाठं पाठयति। That way also we can put another way. Nice.
Yes, yes.
समर्थ,
युवाम,
वत्सला जी, वत्सल जी कौन है वो? वैशाली जी।
can I make?
हम्म
युवां नौका विहाराय जलाशयं गच्छतः।
युवा,
हाँ,
युवानौ, that would be द्वितीया
not युवानौ, like वो दोनों।
so युवा शब्द if you decline, युवन,
युवाम, युयम।
अच्छा क्षम्यतां, युवाम। नाइस नाइस नाइस। I thought युवाम, नाइ तरुणः। गुड गुड।
तो गच्छतः, युवां गच्छतः।
गच्छतः, करेक्ट करेक्ट। one more sentence, then we will move to next.
May I try? It might be incorrect, but still.
Yes, still you can.
What can we call hard work in Sanskrit?
दुष्करम कार्यम।
No, hard work. Hard work.
कष्टकार्यं
कष्टम, सुकष्टम, कष्टकरम, कष्टकरम।
श्रमिकः किं करोति? कष्टं करोति।
कष्टम, हाँ, हार्ड वर्क कष्टम इति उच्यते। कष्टम समर्थ, यू कैन से कष्टम। सुकष्टम करोति, यू कैन से सुकष्टम करोति।
Okay. मोदी महोदयः भारतवास्यैः सुकष्टं करोति।
वासीय, वासीय शब्द इफ यू आर यूजिंग, देन वासीयाय अथवा वासीन इति शब्द भविष्यति। इन अंत फॉर्म इट वुड बी वासिने, वासिनेभ्यः, वासिभ्यः, वासिभ्यः यू शुड मेक, योगिभ्यः, वासिभ्यः।
Okay.
Okay, now next point, last point of this. Namaskar स्वधा अलम वशट योगाच, that is the sutra. along with Namah Avyayam, Swasti Avyayam, Swadha, Alam, Vashat. Swaha I forgot to put, okay? Namah Swasti Swaha, Swadha, Swaha, Alam, Vashat Yogacha. You can put into this sutra. Namah Swasti Swaha, Swadha, Alam, Vashat Yogacha. After Swasti you can put Swaha word also, okay? Namas Adi Yoge Chaturthi Vibhakti Bhavati. Along with Namas, along with Swasti, Swaha, Swadha, these words you have to put Chaturthi Vibhakti. For example, Ramaya Namaha, Saraswatye Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. So Ramaya, Saraswati, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Ekvachanam, Gurubhyo, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam, along with Namaha. Simple use. Swastihi. Swastihi means what? Swasti means what? Kalyanam. There is a way swasti. Swasti means kalyanam. Prajabhyah swasti. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam. Nyayena margena mahim mahimta. That is famous mantra. Swastihi. Prajabhyah swasti. Swasti prajabhyah. Right? Swasti prajabhyah. प्रजा का कल्याण हो. That way. आशीर्वाद देते थे लोग. ओके. पितृभ्यः स्वधा. स्वधा मतलब ऑफरिंग्स. फॉर हुम? पितृज. पितृभ्यः स्वधा. I need to put one more point here. Swaha shabda I will add. Swaha. Swaha. Swadhalam Ushat Yogacha. Before that I need to make one sentence. Devebhyah Devaya Devaya Swaha Agnaye Swaha Prajapataye Swaha. This way you can make sentence, right? Devaya Swaha अथवा देवेभ्यः. If there are many, you can say Devaya Swaha, Agnaye Swaha, Praja.
स्वस्ति इत्युक्ते
कल्याणम. कल्याण हो, अच्छा हो, इस अर्थ में यूज होता है स्वस्ति अव्यय. पितृभ्यः स्वाहा. क्षम्यताम. पितृभ्यः स्वधा. जब ऑफरिंग्स देते हैं, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या होता है? देवों के लिए जब ऑफरिंग देते हैं, दैट टाइम वी हैव टू यूज द वर्ड स्वाहा. इदम न मम अग्नये स्वाहा. इदम न मम, ये मेरा नहीं, ये आपका ही है, ये आपके लिए ऑफर कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा करके. लेकिन जब अपने पितरों को हम कुछ ऑफर करते हैं, उस समय हम शब्द यूज करते हैं स्वधा. बोथ हैव सेम मीनिंग, स्वाहा एंड स्वधा. आई एम ऑफरिंग, बट देयर इज अ चेंज ऑफ यूज दिस वर्ड. व्हेनेवर वी यूज we give offer for gods, we have to use swaha. There is a particular niyam in Purva Mimamsa. And if we are offering to our fathers, that time we have to use the word pitrubhyah swadha. Swaha and swadha means offerings, that's it. Gita jnanaya alam. Alam means, here again we are using alam word. Alam have two meanings, I already told you. Alam means enough, now you don't. Alam bhojanena, alam krodhena. Alam, with that alam word, enough in this meaning, we use tritiya vibhakti. But when that alam avyaya comes in the meaning of sufficient, he is sufficient, she is sufficient, it is sufficient. With that sufficient, with that alam word, we have to use chaturthi. Gita alam asti. कस्मै किमर्थम अलम अस्ति? ज्ञानाय अलम अस्ति. मोक्ष ज्ञानाय, ब्रह्म ज्ञानाय अथवा धर्म ज्ञानाय गीता अलम अस्ति. सिमिलरली रामः एकाकी एव सर्वेभ्यः राक्षसेभ्यः अलम. एकाकी रामः राक्षसेभ्यः अलम. दिस वे.
अलम इत्युक्ते यहाँ पे काफी है ना?
काफी, सफिशिएंट है, बहुत है. इन द सेंस काफी है, ये अच्छा रहेगा. बहुत नहीं, काफी है. अकेला राम सबके लिए भारी है, सबके लिए काफी है, ऐसा. और वशट वौशट, फिर से वो जब आहुति इत्यादि कम करते हैं तो उस एक्शन को वशट वौशट बोलते हैं. कुछ ऑफर करते समय, देवेभ्यः वषट वौषट। आजकल ज्यादा जहां जहां यज्ञादि कर्म होते हैं वहां इसका प्रयोग होता है। तो not necessary to remember this vashat vaushat. Brahmanas athwa those who do yajna yagadi, they will remember. We have to remember namaha.
What is the difference between swaha and vashat?
There is a kind of action while performing that we have to do, we have to use vashat. Offering, there is some little bit difference. There we actually offer something, and while performing some actions like a hut, that kind of
आहुती देणे म्हणजे वशट का?
ना आहुति देत असताना, आहुति देते वक्त जो शब्द यूज किया जाता है वो शब्द होता है स्वाहा। आहुति देते समय, आहुति मतलब स्वाहा या वशट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। आहुति को देते समय बोला जाने वाला शब्द क्या है? स्वाहा। यदि वो आहुति देवों के लिए दी जाती है, वही आहुति पितरों के लिए देते हैं, तब वहां स्वदा शब्द का होता है। और वहां कुछ क्रियाएं होती है यज्ञ में, उस क्रिया करते समय ऐसा कुछ प्रयोग किया जाता है वशट शब्द का, वौषट शब्द का। वो क्रिया मुझे भी पता नहीं कौन सी क्रिया के योग में क्या करना चाहिए, लेकिन जब देवों के लिए कुछ क्रियाएं की जाती है तो उस समय वशट या वौषट शब्द का प्रयोग होता है। तो नॉट नेसेसरी टू रिमेंबर दिस, यू नो, because we don't perform any yajna. Even we want to perform, we will be performing through brahmana or some yajna karta, right? So they will do all these things, but still I would like to find out the meaning of vashat and vaushat. I will definitely try for this.
Sorry, this word is very used very less, na?
Vashat, yes, not frequent.
Very less,
विष्णु सहस्त्र नाम में जो है ओम विष्णु विष्णु वषटकारो, सो इज द सेम।
हाँ, वषट शब्द। Okay, now make few sentences by using namaha or alam. Others are not frequently used, so let's go up those. But still you can make if anybody wants.
Famous is kalaya tasmai namaha.
Kalaya tasmai namaha. Niti Shatakam, if you have studied, you will find that shlok.
Ram Raksha, Ramaya, Ramachandra.
Correct.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.
Ishwaraya Namaha.
Ishwaraya Namaha. Alam, along with this, alam word.
हिंदी में यदि कहा जाए कि एक अकेला स्वप्रभारी, तो इस अलम, कैन वी यूज अलम इन एक?
एक्चुअली शतम शब्द है ना, तो आप क्या बोल सकते हो?
That's why I have a doubted.
शतजनेभ्यः ऐसा समस्त पद करके एकाकी एकाकी शूरः अथवा वीरः शतम अथवा शतजनेभ्यः अलम, ऐसा यूज कर सकते हो। ओके,
So I can say जनेभ्यः शतकोटि धनम अपि न अलम।
ओके, पर्याप्तं न भवति इति अर्थः। समीचीनं वाक्यं, समीचीनं।
ब्रह्मज्ञानाय गुरु अलम।
गुरुः अलम, गुरुः इति वक्तव्यं। समीचीनम्।
अविनाश महोदयाय स्वस्ति।
अरे वाह, नाइस नाइस।
अर्जुनः कौरवाय अलम।
अर्जुनः कौरवाय अलम। Okay, now shall we do summary?
छात्राय स्वस्ति,
छात्राय स्वस्ति, शिष्याय स्वस्ति. Bahuvachanam also you can use whenever you are going to the school, and if they touch your feet, you can say. ओके
संस्कृत पठनम जीवनाय अलम।
जीवनाय संस्कृत पठनम अलम। अन्येषां विषयाणाम् अपि अध्ययनम् आवश्यकं, किन्तु संस्कृतं पर्याप्तम्, अलम् अस्ति, तथा वक्तव्यं न। इतोपि वाक्यमस्ति वा अथवा समरिं करोमि?
May I make a last sentence using swaha?
वदतु वदतु।
पितृपक्षे भीष्माय स्वाहा.
Swaha. I said whenever we use we give offerings to forefathers.
Okay, then Swadha.
So
He's also treated as a forefather then. He is also considered to be a forefather then. Okay.
Sampradani Chaturthi, one who is a receiver of action, that person will be put into Chaturthi Vibhakti. For example, Raja, Brahmanaya, Gam, Dadati. Brahman is a receiver of action, so he will be known as Sampradana Karakam, and to denote that Sampradana Karakam, we use Chaturthi Vibhakti. Ruchi Arthe, Rochate, along with that Rochate, Kriyapada, whom's or whomever it likes it, that person will be put into Chaturthi. Balakaya, Dugdam Rochate. Child loves milk, so that child will be put into Chaturthi. Okay. Then Alam Shabda. Alam Shabda actually we can put into last role, but here to make more clearer, I have put separately. Alam means what? Sufficient. काफी है इस अर्थ में. एकाकी रामः सर्वेभ्यः राक्षसेभ्यः अलम, अथवा whatever sentences you have made recently. Krudyati, kupyati, druhyati, asuyati, along with this kriyapada. So there was not sufficient space, so I just separated them. Kupyati, krudyati I have put into one. Druhyati, irshati, or there is also you can add asuyati. Okay. So sajjanaha, shatah sajjanaya irshati, mata putraya kupyati athva krudyati. That way you can make. Tadarte chaturthi. Tadarte, for whom sake you are performing some action, like pita putraya dhanam sampadayati. Kimartam sampadayati? Putraya, for his child or children. Namaha, swasti, swadha, alam, vashat, yoga, cha. So that is a sutra. Separately I didn't put, I just made it separately. Namaha, swasti, swaha, swadha, but it is one sutra only. Okay. Alam also comes under this category. Namah, swasti, swaha, swadha, alam, and vashat. So because of less of place, I didn't put here, but you can understand. Okay. Now there are 2 minutes. You can ask some questions if you want.
Guruji, should I remind you about the Bhavavachya tomorrow?
What was the question?
The Bhavavachya, you had asked, you said that you had explained certain.
Bhave Prayoga. You should say Bhave Prayoga. Okay.
Bhave Prayoga.
Tomorrow or at the end of the class, last class. Either tomorrow at the end of the class, otherwise last दिन हमारा 8 तारीख को है ना, उस दिन भी देख सकते हैं. एक्स्ट्रा टाइम लेकर.
महोदय, एक आपसे विनती है, संधि के ऊपर भी ऐसे क्लास लीजिए ना 8-10 दिन का.
करेंगे. संधि का हमने 1 मिनट है, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप कर दूं. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम.